Welcome to Enots Engineering, I'm Alan. In today's video I'm turning some plastic feet for a stool I use in the workshop. Now these feet have an internal spherical and I need to make a tool to cut the spherical. So we start off with making the tool and then I'll turn the plastic. But let's go into the workshop, see how I did it. I've just turned a radius on there to form a dome, and what I want to do next is relieve all this here and make this into a tool to cut a spherical inside a bore. Now this is my radius fixture which I've shown before. So I form spherical on the end, undercut this side, and what I'm making is a tool to cut out a hole like this that has a spherical on the inside. So now what I want to do is mill half of that away so it gives me a flat face. I'm just cutting this down to about halfway. This top edge will form part of the cutting edge. I'm going to twist it round a little bit more then and back it off so I can cut some of the material away. Now I've turned it round a bit more in the vise and I'll cut some of this off the back here. Let's turn it around a bit more. I'm hoping that will make a cutting tool. Okay, this is my tool for doing a radius. This part here is a cutting edge and all the rest is just relieved so it doesn't rub. So that's the important bit this side. This is the tool we just made. Set it to centre height. It's about 1.5 so that'll be okay. Now we'll see if it will cut. I've just cut out some plastic discs out of some plastic that I had, some plastic sheet. With a hole saw I've cut 2 of these. I want to make some feet for my stool. First thing I want to do is drill down 10mm into this plastic. This is a tool I made earlier. This is a 15mm radius there, and I need to go in just the depth of this hole and form this 15mm radius inside this piece of plastic. Now because I'm cutting it on the back, I need to reverse the chuck. I don't need to go in too deep, just about there. I'll zero my axis I've set my digital readout 0 to the depth. Clean the swarf off the tool. You can see the spherical turned on the inside. Okay, I've just tried that and it fits. So what I want to do now is machine the outside here, chamfer on the edge. So now I need to chamfer the outside. That'll do for that. This is where it has to fit on this spherical. That goes on there. Just give it a tap. And that's on there. It swivels round, won't come off. I need another one for this leg. I'll place another blank in the lathe. Just need to face off the front. Now I need to drill the hole 10mm deep. Now I've changed to a boring tool. I need to bore the hole out to 15mm. Nearly 14, another millimetre to come out. $14.61. $15.09. We're going with the spherical tool. Reverse it because I'm cutting on the back. Okay, I think that will fit. It's hard to tell because it's a tight fit and you have to hammer it on. If I make it too loose, they'll just keep falling off. And hopefully that's finished. Oh, I'll turn the back off there. Okay, that's the last leg. Put that on. And hopefully, if I give it a tap with my mallet, that should stay in position. They swivel round like the original ones. That job's done. There's the 2 feet on the bottom of the stool. Well, that's it for today. Hope that was interesting. Hope it's useful, and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.